Hi guys, it's me, Paul Martinez. Today I'm going to show you how to make the noise from Pizza Tower. Let's get started. It's a mill, and we'll start with a scratch. Okay, we'll use a shape of this head, and we're going to color it this. I don't know what's this color. And we're going to color his hair like yellow, yeah. And we're going to use this hat. And we're going to color it yellow. Yeah. And we're going to use these eyebrows for its appearance. Okay. We're going to make them down. We'll make them... Oops. Okay, like that. And now let's use this color of the eyes, and we'll use this pair of eyes. We'll make them like that. Yeah, we'll make them like that. And we're going to use this nose. Okay. And we're going to use it like that. And we're going to use this. We're going to use this mouth. That. And now let's make him a little bit smaller like that, and a little bit fatter. Okay, like that. Okay, let's type in his name. The Noise, and I make him. He's going to the Mii Plaza with the otters. Pepino's there too. Okay, here we have the noise. Okay guys, so that's how you make the noise from Pizza Tower. So like, subscribe, and leave comments down below to the videos that you want me to make next.